channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always hanging out with me and coming back to check out my latest videos. So I fell victim to the wave former craze. Yeah, I did. So I'm trying the wave formers on my hair. When I first saw this on YouTube, there were videos that were far and few. Now YouTube is just flooded with all types of wave former videos. So I did a little market research before I wanted to start my project on these things. I ordered these through eBay. These things are hard to come by. I guess they're not like in a regularly market store. Even Amazon didn't have it when I started looking for it. I received this probably about a couple of weeks ago. I ordered 3 packs. In each pack there is 12 wave formers. They have 2 different colors. The colors don't matter because they're the same length. And each pack comes with the wand, and you put it together like so. And it looks like this. They had the option of either 1, 2, or 3, so I ordered 3, and the length was 50 centimeters, which equates to about 19.5 inches. But now that I've checked back on the same seller, they now have 65 centimeters. So I just wish I would have waited. And I didn't want to order any more and have to wait a whole nother month, because that took me about 3 weeks to get the actual first set. So hopefully I have enough wave former. I am going to be using 2 products. I'm going to be using the Lotta body. This is the texturizing setting lotion and Eco Styler gel. I want to get more of a soft, fluffy, but still have a little hold in my hair. So I'm going to use a combination of both. So I'm praying for good results. Okay, so this is an all trial and error, good people. Like, y'all gotta hang with me and see how this is all gonna turn out, because I just don't know. We in this together. We in this together. Okay. So yeah, sis, come on, come hang out with me, and let's get this started. I had a old mousse bottle, and I just put this inside the bottle, which would make it easier for application, because a sister got to be resourceful. Guys, so I'm starting out with freshly washed hair. My hair has been in basically 4 ponytails. I washed my hair a few days ago, and it's just been in a straight state. So it's pretty much dry, but I did moisten it a little bit with some of my DIY Aloe moisturizing spray and combing out any tangles. And sectioning. I'm taking this, the Lotta body, and I'm putting that on and focusing a lot of that product on my ends, and taking some of that Eco, and where you take this and you take this wand that you assemble and you slide through. I'm starting at the root, twisting my hair, taking this little hook thingy. Oh God, look at me, I'm messing up. Taking that hook and sliding it over the hook, I think, guys. And then putting, oh God, okay. Hold fast, sister. Hold fast. They didn't cover this part in the video. Hold fast. Wait, look at that. Oh God, it's gonna be a long night. Okay, let's do this again. So I'm gonna try it upward this time to see if that makes a difference, and pull the hair back, taking it over the wand Okay, guys. I think that method worked. All right, so this is the first one. It's not a total epic fail, but all right. Have one more section, but I wanted to show you my little technique to make this thing go by so smoother or easier, because this thing can, like this thing right here, it's not your friend. It can snag the mess out of your hair. And I'm just saturating that, taking some of a little bit of the Eco-Stylogy and putting it on my fingers. And I'm putting some at the roots, guys, because what I've noticed is that my hair is a little, in some pieces, my hair is longer than the actual wave former. So I've been putting gel at the roots. In the event when it dries, it can at least dry smooth. And twisting, of course, this is a technique that everybody's been using, but I twist it like really, really small as I can. Well, I hope that pop doesn't build up. And almost halfway down to my hair, guys. This has just been working for me. Taking that wand upwards, putting it by the root, pulling my hair that way away from this area, because that's where your hair snags. Slide this former all the way over my head, holding on to it, sliding this thing up so I can get a good grip, and pull down. This has been preventing the snags. But do you see that, guys? Like I said, I've been having pieces hanging out because parts of my hair is just too long. So I'm taking a little bit of that setting lotion and putting it on my ends because I don't want bushy ends. And I'm just holding it from the root and pulling it down so it can cover my ends like that. I just hope that because I don't have the formers all the way up here, it looks janky. I don't know, guys. We shall see. This is what it's looking like. Borderline crazy, guys. So, like I said, I had to pull quite a few down because I didn't want my ends of my hair to be sticking out. Because I don't want fuzzy ends. So, we'll see. I'm going to sit under the dryer for about an hour so it can set. And then I'm going to bed. It's nighttime. So I did sit under the dryer for about an hour because I wanted these things to set. And I used this big net to kind of keep them together while I was sleeping. I thought it was going to be crazy uncomfortable sleeping in them. It wasn't too bad, but so okay, let's go to the back. And I think you just, so to pull it out, you just, I guess, hold Oh, okay then. Alright, so it feels dry. I mean, it should be dry. Later. So I'm just holding and pulling it down. Alright. Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. Before I finish, let me just make sure. Let us pray. Okay, let's finish. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. Have mad definition. My hair feels so like light. Oh my god. So it definitely stretches your hair out without direct heat. So yeah, this might be a good thing. What I did notice though with the gel, I got like some little white cast on my hair a little bit. Not bad, but pluck them out. I don't want to put a whole lot of oil on it, but I'm just gonna spray my hair with the fomers olive oil conditioning spray and just squeezing that. Oh, and squeezing it and focusing it on my ends. All right, guys. So what you think? I'm bringing what is this? The 80s, the 90s crimps back. Yeah, my scalp is like really flat. So I'm just gonna take my time and kind of. I think the gel though definitely helped with the definition a lot. So I'm not going to over pluck. I'm going to leave it like this, but I'll probably put it up in a bun or something to preserve the crimps. But yeah, I'm liking it, guys, even without the over plucking just yet. I like it. Look at that definition. Really cool. Okay, let's come all the way through. I still have to fluff it. I mean, you can fluff it to your liking, but for me, it's a win. It's a win. I was so scared. I did not know if this was going to work for me. But yeah, I'll be doing it again. But yeah, guys, these are the results. I like it.